Welcome to AI News Today, your daily AI news update for August 9th, 2026. Stay tuned for today's top stories in artificial intelligence. AI 101 Concept of the Week. What it is: AI agents are software programs that can independently perform tasks step by step, like a virtual assistant that plans and executes actions on its own. Analogy: think of an AI agent as a smart intern. You give it a goal, it figures out the steps, uses tools like a calculator or web browser, and reports back without you micromanaging. How it works: 1. The agent receives a goal or prompt from you. 2. It breaks the goal into smaller subtasks and decides which tools to use, e.g., search, code, APIs. 3. It executes the steps, checks results, and adjusts until the goal is met. Real example this week: Cloudflare, a major internet infrastructure company, launched Kitesurf, a browser built specifically for AI agents, showing how agents are becoming mainstream. Why you should care: AI agent skills are among the top in demand for AI jobs, and building a simple agent is a great portfolio project for beginners. Last week's promise plus AI jobs this week. Last week, we promised a step-by-step plan to build your first AI project from scratch. Here it is. Start with a simple project like a spam classifier using free data from Kaggle, follow a beginner course like Fast.ai, and showcase it on GitHub with a README explaining your process. That's a portfolio piece that proves you can apply AI, which is what interviewers want. AI engineer at OpenAI, makers of ChatGPT, $150,000 to $250,000. Skills: Python, PyTorch, LLMs. Machine learning engineer at Amazon, cloud AI giant, $140,000 to $220,000. Skills: TensorFlow, AWS, Python. Data scientist at Google, DeepMind, Google's AI research lab, $130,000 to $210,000. Skills: statistics, Python, ML AI product manager at Microsoft, tech company, $120,000 to $180,000. Skills: product strategy, AI basics, communication. Hottest role this week: AI agent developer, because Cloudflare's new agent browser and AWS's agentic tools show a surge in agent-based systems. AI agents, why now? Cloudflare launched a browser for AI agents, and AWS is using agents for automation. Learn in 4 weeks: prompt engineering. Why now? OpenAI's Astra model development shows the need for safe, effective prompts. Learn in 2 weeks: machine learning operations. Why now? AWS and other clouds are pushing agentic pipelines that need monitoring. Learn in 6 weeks. If you learn one thing this week: AI agents, because they're the hottest skill in job postings, and this week's news is full of them. Free learning resources this week: fast.ai, h/fast.ai. What you'll learn: practical deep learning, building models, coding, time, 10 hours, free. Yes, why now? Perfect for building your first AI project this week. Deeplearning.ai and deeplearning.ai. What you'll learn: AI fundamentals, neural networks, LLMs, time, 20 years, free. Yes. Why now? Andrew Ng's courses are beginner-friendly and job-relevant. Anthropic prompt engineering, h/docs.anthropic.com/docs/build-with Claude prompt engineering/overview. What you'll learn: writing effective prompts, prompt patterns, time, 3 years, free. Yes. Why now? Prompt engineering is a top skill this week. Langchain Academy, //academy langchain.com. What you'll learn: building AI agents, LLM apps, time, 8 yes. Why now? Directly addresses the AI agent boom. Start here today, fast.ai //fast.ai, because it gets you coding a real project in minutes. AI tools for beginners. ChatGPT AI chatbot helps you write, brainstorm, and learn. Great for everyday tasks. Free tier available, $20 per month for Plus. Claude AI assistant by Anthropic, known for clear, helpful responses. Good for learning and writing. Free tier, $20 per month Pro. Google Gemini, integrated with Google Apps, great for search and docs. Free premium via Google One. Hugging Face AI Model Hub, a free platform where developers share AI models. Perfect for experimenting with open source models. Free. Cursor AI code editor helps beginners write code with AI assistance. You can build projects faster. Free tier, $20 per month pro. Best starting point for a complete beginner, ChatGPT, because it's free, intuitive, and you can learn by asking it anything. Career Action Plan. Newshook. AWS launched Agent Core, a tool to build AI agents for business tasks, and Cloudflare launched a browser for AI agents. Opportunity. Companies are rushing to adopt AI agents, creating demand for people who can build and manage them. Your action this week. Start the LangChain Academy course and build a simple agent that can search the web or answer questions. Free resource, LangChain Academy, academy.langchain.com. Complete this. Module 1, Introduction to Agents. Result. Doing this puts you ahead of 80% of candidates for AI developer roles. Next week preview. Next Sunday, we'll cover how to get your first AI job without a degree, a step-by-step strategy. Cloud AI for beginners. Compare and start. Azure OpenAI, best for enterprise integration and using GPT models. Free credits, $200. Start. Azure.Microsoft for AWS Bedrock, best for building AI apps with multiple models like Claude Llama. Free tier, 1 month free tier with limited usage. Start. AWS Amazon.com Bedrock Google Gemini API. Best for easy access to Google's Gemini models, great for beginners. Free tier, limited requests per minute. Start. HAIstudio.google.com. Easiest for a complete beginner. Google Gemini API, because it's free, simple to sign up, and you can start experimenting with prompts immediately. First action, go to aistudio.google.com and try the Get Started tutorial. Week in brief. OpenAI Chat. They slowed development of their Astra model over security concerns, shows that AI safety is a growing job field. Cloudflare, internet infrastructure company, launched a browser for AI agents. New tools mean new skills to learn. AWS, Amazon's cloud division, showed off agentic AI for automating business tasks. Real-world use cases are expanding. Built a tool to track employee AI spending. Companies want to measure AI ROI, creating analytics jobs. AI cloud startup opened a giant AI factory in Armenia. AI infrastructure is booming globally. The one thing to remember this week: AI agents are the hottest trend. Learn them now to stand out in the job market. Conclusion and key takeaways. You're ahead of 90% of people just by investing an hour on Sunday to learn. Keep going, and you'll be amazed at how fast you progress. See you next week. Don't forget, subscribe every Sunday, 7 a.m. for your weekly AI career guide. Next Sunday, how to get your first AI job without a degree, a step-by-step strategy. Drop your biggest AI question below. I read every comment.